Otherwise, if it was some foreign podcast, so definitely it's going to helpful for your enhance your communication skills, no? Because the more you listen, the more you proficient in these language. So listen.
For my viewers, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, surely, ma'am. Yeah. So I'm very glad to be here in front of you. So basically, I'm connecting with you from Kolkata. And in terms of my education, so I have just completed 10 class standard. And if I will tell you what I'm doing for my living, so by profession, I'm a driver. And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, you can consider me to that. I'm a part-time YouTuber too. So my channel name
Mm-hmm.
is Jaffer Driver Talk, which is based on spoken English conversation video. Yeah. So it's all about me.
Okay.
So you have only one kids, no?
Yeah, I have
Uh,
only one daughter.
yes.
Yeah.
Now she is studying
So,
which class?
uh-huh. She's in sixth standard.
Sixth standard. So do you teach sometime?
I always teach my daughter.
This is not comprehensive, no? This is not comfy for you because if you will teach your daughter, so I hope that this is not going to be very good for her actually. So you should hire some teacher for her.
No,
What do you
there
think?
is no need recruiting any teacher because
Yeah,
I'm capable to teach her.
yeah, I know very well that you are capable. You are so much impeccable with this language and any other subject as well. But sometimes I'm feeling that mothers and fathers they cannot teach her child in a very perfect way, isn't it?
But my thinking is like mother is the best teacher of the child. She know
Yeah,
everything about
could be.
her child.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
When she will be, like when she will go in 12th standard
Okay.
and she is opting some, difficult subject. And if I'm not capable, that time definitely I will hire or I will choose a good teacher for her.
Okay. So since a long time you are working with your YouTube channel, so how is it going?
It is going very good. Every day I'm doing conversation with my co-learners, and it's a very good, platform to
Yeah.
connecting with each other.
Yeah, I know very well because often, not pretty often, but I'm checking your account. But yes, you are doing a great job because sometime your video is recommended on my YouTube channel. So sometime I'm watching your videos with a great lady
Okay.
and with a great man. I think that. So yeah, it is
Mm.
totally nice for me. I'm
Mm.
yeah, daily basis I'm going to learn some new idioms, new phrases, and new words from the YouTuber.
Hmm. Sorry,
Yeah.
can you repeat?
So I actually I'm thinking that you are under the weather little bit.
Yeah, because I'm facing some tough problem today.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, can we discuss a topic?
Yes. Yeah. You can discuss about the topic. Yeah.
Okay,
So do you have any?
nowadays there are two types of books like physical book or online book.
Hmm,
Yes, online book
hmm.
and physical book. So, what kind of book mostly you prefer for improving English?
What does mean by online books?
Online books means there are so many online books you can
Hmm,
collect from that site, and after
yeah.
that you can
Hmm.
read. And
Okay.
physical books means which are available in the shops.
Yes. So
You
firstly,
can search that book. Yes.
I would like to mention one thing that I'm
Mm-hmm.
not a book mom at all because I never ever open a single page book.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so I'm pretty sure that if you will going to purchase some offline book, so you can choose on your side that you can survive the book, and after that if you think that this book is going to help for me, so you can purchase. On other hand, if you want to purchase from the online side, so there are net chances to what the book is demonstrate in inside, no? So you cannot see the inside what is the dynamic they have already written this book. So this is the things. Yeah, it's only prefer man to man and very it's only their choice. Yeah, somebody prefer to purchase some online books and somebody prefer to purchase offline books. So it's only depend on
Mm-hmm.
mindset, no?
Hmm. For eyes, if we talk about like our eyes, that time I can say physical book are really good option for us,
Mm.
because when we are reading on tablets and
Mhm.
mobile, it's not good for our eyes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Go
And
ahead.
second thing, like books, sometimes books are very bulky in size.
Mhm.
So it is very difficult to, like if we are going in a train or bus, that time it is very difficult to carry a book.
Mhm.
That time online books are really helpful for us.
Okay. So, uh, actually, you would like to testify for the both side, no? There are some
Hmm.
drawbacks and there are
Yeah, and
some,
some
yeah,
advantages also.
also. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, so
Hmm.
always we cannot take the extreme side only that online book is not going to help to us because sometime we are traveling and we are going to somewhere. So definitely, if you want to read something, so definitely you can open your online books, no?
Hmm. Hmm.
So this is gonna helpful for us. Yeah.
Yes. And anywhere we can read online books. But yes,
Mm.
it always need electricity,
Yeah.
because all the devices need electricity.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Electricity.
Because
Yeah.
all the devices need charge, charge.
Yeah.
If we are not, doing this kind of thing, after some time, all the devices will be, automatically shut down.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah.
And if
So
I talk about like physical books, there is no need any electricity. You can take
mm,
a book and you can simply read that book.
yes.
And for children, I can say physical book is more good, more better than online book.
Yes, physical books only it can helpful for the only adult people. Otherwise, those are reading in
Hmm.
teenager and they're toddler. So maybe this online book is not going to helpful for them because they are not conscious so many things about the online books, right? So it's
Hmm.
only can help to the adult people. Yeah,
And what do you think about English podcast? Do you really helpful for the improving English?
podcast. So it's a nice question
English pod,
because yeah,
English podcast. Yes.
yeah. Actually, maybe you have been asked this question in several time. I have been also asked this question in several time.
No, no.
So
I have asked this question first time in my session.
okay, so yeah, so English postcard uh, actually it's really helpful for our journey. So if you will listen to the postcards,
Hmm.
so I really believe that I am a firm believer. So you can learn so many things from the podcast, no? Because if you are going to watch some podcast, they are from Indian. So I don't know what the people will get benefit from the Indian podcast, but otherwise, if you watch some foreign podcast, so definitely it going to helpful for your enhance your communication skills, no? Because the more you listen, the more you proficient in this language.
Hmm.
So listening is a very much important. I have heard about from the so many intellectual people; those are giving to very intellectual video on this topic. So yeah, sometime if you are going to watch some podcast, within two
Hmm.
minutes you can grab some opportunity to learn some new vocabularies, right? And
Hmm.
also you can
Hmm.
narrate the sentence. So definitely, I'm pretty sure that yeah, podcast is mostly helpful for our journey. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. We should, listen every podcast very carefully.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I am also observing, like I'm doing some kitchen work, and I'm also listening podcast. That
Mm-hmm.
time, I have observed, like in the end, I'm getting no new words, no
Mm-hmm.
new sentence structure, because I was busy in kitchen work.
Mm-hmm.
So it's my opinion, if we are listening podcast, first of all, we should listen carefully.
Mm-hmm.
That then we can gain some knowledge.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, sometime it happens that we are doing something, but
Hmm.
simultaneously we are listening. So we are listening or watching. So you cannot get anything from those kinds of things. Simply you are wasting time, nothing more than that,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
Because sometimes, we always have a design like we should be multitasker.
Mm-hmm.
That time I can say it's not, it is not gain, we can't gain any knowledge from podcast.
Yes. Yeah.
So
Okay.
do you want to share any idiom? If you know,
Idiom.
then you can share, only share, you can share.
Around the clock.
Mm-hmm.
Around the clock. No.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Around the clock means you have been working since a long time, and you feel that I am tired. So
Mm-hmm.
around the clock.
Mm-hmm.
Because if I will say that I have been driven my car around the clock, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So uh, hand over fast. Third
Mm-hmm.
one is hand over fast. I think those viewers are going to watch this video. They never heard this idiom before. No, hand over fast. Hand over
That's
fast
why
means
I'm saying you should share some idioms so
yeah.
that we can gain some knowledge also.
Yes, hand over fast means low price of amount. No, low price of
Mm-hmm.
amount. Because if I will take one example, Ambani's company, uh, Campa Coldings, they are selling the Campa Coldings hand over fast.
Mm-hmm.
That means they are selling the product in a very low price, no?
Yes.
Offering the Campa Coldings hand over fast. Because if you will pay 20 rupees, maybe you will get 4 ml Campa Coldings. So yeah, this is hand over fast. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and four is pretty penny.
Pretty
Pretty
penny. Okay.
pretty
Mm-hmm.
penny. Maybe you never heard this word before.
Hmm.
Pretty
Yes.
penny means this is very costly. So
Hmm.
sometime we are telling that I have purchased one smartphone. This is very really costly, no? So we can say
Hmm.
that a smartphone is really pretty penny. Yeah,
Hmm. Yes.
yeah,
Now I can share some vocabulary words.
yes, of course. Why not?
Okay. Flabbergasted. It means amazing.
Wait. Flabbergasted. That means amazing. When you
Yes.
texted
Amazing.
me that time, I was really flabbergasted, no, because
Hmm.
I'm going to interact with the Tanya Singh. So I was really flabbergasted. Okay, second.
Okay.
Yeah,
Second, gorgeous. We can say stunning also.
yeah, stunning.
Beautiful.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And third is, uh, and another word is ravishing.
Avishing.
We ravishing. 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 It also, have the same meaning. Beautiful.
Okay,
Extreme beautiful.
okay.
Yes.
Ravishing. Yeah,
Yes.
this is the first word
Ravishing.
new for me. Yeah. Okay. And
And
next, go ahead.
and now today I'm little bit not good, so I can use for my situation under the weather. It means I'm not feeling good.
Oh, okay,
This is an idiom.
okay.
And
And
second
next,
idiom, raining cats and dogs. It
cats.
means
Yeah.
raining cats and dog. It means
Mm,
when rain is going to very heavily, that time we can use this idiom.
okay.
And third is we are on the same page.
We are on the
I
same
think
page. Yeah.
yes. When
Yeah.
two companions have same situation.
Yeah. And we are in the same clothes.
No,
We
no,
are cut from the same clothes. We are cut from the same clothes.
we are, yeah, there are some other idiom, just similar this idiom.
Mm-hmm.
And other one is um, elephant in the room.
Elephant in the room. Okay. What does mean by elephant in the room?
It means like when we are not addressing the main problem
Okay.
and we are
Okay.
talking unnecessarily some other points.
Mm-hmm.
That time we can use this idiom.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
So, do you know idioms doppelganger?
I have heard this
Doppelganger.
idiom. I have heard this idiom.
So, can you try to figure out the meaning? Doppelganger.
You can give me two options, then I can select which is
Okay.
correct.
Okay. So, doppelganger. The first option is that you are not looking like this person. Yeah. Or you are looking like Deepika Padukone, same as it is, because somebody is looking same
You are
Shahrukh Khan.
looking just like Deepika Padukone.
Yeah.
Second one is
So
correct option.
doppelganger.
Hmm.
Yes, yes, yes. So you are wearing a shirt is a yellow shirt, yellow color, and I am also wearing a shirt, yellow color. So that's how you can say that we
Twinning,
are,
twinning,
yeah,
twinning.
yeah,
That
yeah,
time we can use this word twinning. We are
twinning
twinning.
and doppelganger
Yes,
also, because
yes.
somebody is already looks like a Shahrukh Khan, no? So that time you can say that you are looking doppelganger of Shahrukh Khan, yeah, doppelganger.
So, what do you think when we are sharing our knowledge? Like you had shared some good idioms, vocabulary also.
Mm-hmm.
So, what's your opinion regarding this?
Yeah, of course, because I have good dexterity with the vocabularies. No, so if I will
Mm-hmm.
know, people always presenting themselves in the with the minimum possible word. So everywhere you cannot use the minimum possible word because sometimes it's need use some idioms and phrases. So if you will use some idioms and phrases, so your sentence will be very short, and very short sentence you can improve yourself, right?
Hmm.
And the sentence will be the powerful if you will use some idioms. So we have already discussed 10 or 11 idioms here. So might be there might be chances that people they don't know what is the meaning actually, so they can learn it easily, no? So that's how
Hmm.
I can use, yeah.
But my opinion is like if we are sharing our knowledge, spreading our knowledge,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
that time I can say video will be more engaging.
Yeah, because Pretty Penny. So one of the
Mhm.
tutors she asked me, "Did you purchase anything the last week?" Yeah, I say yes. I have purchased one a smartphone. So the smartphone is really really pretty penny, and
Mhm.
she was shocked. No, I have already uploaded the reels video. She was shocked. What does mean by pretty penny? She continuously telling to me that I never heard this word, no, in my
Mhm.
life, because they are already gig with this journey actually. So sometime it happens that sometime some people they know some word and they know some idioms. Might be chances not lot many people out there even they don't know how what is the meaning actually. So this is the way, no, this is the way actually we can look into the communities by educating each other, yeah.
Hmm. Yes.
Yeah,
So it was a lovely conversation with you. I think you also enjoyed this session.
I'm always enjoying to talk to the people, and you are very well known for me, so why should I not enjoy with this conversation, no? But it has already been
Hmm.
long time no see. So this is the great opportunity here. I can present myself in front of you again. So I'm
Mhm.
really, really, actually, I was really, really flabbergasted. No,